What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter if you want to change it. I'm just checking this one today. So what you want to do is open up your glove boxes. We're going to need to lower this door because the cabin filter is located behind it. All right, now that we have the door open, we're going to want to disconnect the damper that you have right here, and all you got to do is pull on it and it will disconnect. Okay, now the glove box has these stoppers on both sides that we're going to need to take out so the glove box door will come down. Just grab the knobs and turn them counterclockwise and the knobs will come right out. Okay, and once you got them out, the glove box will just fall down. Just right them out just so you can start working on the cabin filter here. Now if we look, this is the door for the filter, and you see these arrows. They're pointing at the clips that actually open the door. Okay, so what we're going to do here, and I'm going to push down on this clip and I'm going to pull on the door. Same thing on this side. Clip down, pull on the door, and the door will come up. The door won't actually come off on this one, so we're going to have to hold it up. Now before we take this out, so this is a Honda Kia cabin air filter, a factory one, and notice how it says airflow with the arrows pointing down. Just remember that, so when you replace it with a new one, we put the filter in the correct way. Okay, so we pull this out, see if we need to get one. When we don't need to get one, okay, this one is super duper clean. If you need one, I'm gonna leave a part number down in the description box and a link that takes you to Amazon. If you need to get a filter, they have all the filters there on Amazon, but I'm just gonna put this one back in, and again, just make sure that the airflow is going the correct way. In this car, it is going down. All right, and just push this guy in, close the door, close up the glove box a little bit. I'm gonna hook the damper up now because it's gonna help me hold the glove box up when I go to put these stoppers back in. Okay, so these stoppers will only go in one way, and we're gonna have to lift the glove box up a little bit to get them in here, and we're gonna turn it clockwise and lock them in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put both back in, and that's pretty much it with the video. Okay, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.